Assalamu alaikum class 2. We are on chapter number 5. We have already discussed all this. Now we will discuss questions related to this chapter. Here are solved questions. Short questions are: what is a ribbon? As I already told you, a ribbon is a part of the paint window that contains the tools. I'll show you again. Paint window. These are the tools, right? These are all the tools, and this is the ribbon, right? Next is: which tool is used to draw both straight and curved lines? Pencil. This is pencil and this is brush. This tool is used to draw both straight and curved lines. ठीक है, curve pencil से ये देखें like this, and with brush right. Now how will you change the thickness of the line? You will change the thickness of the line with the help of line tool. ये line और इसकी thickness through this, right? इसकी thickness आप change कर लें like this, right? Now next question is: which dialog box appear when you save the drawing? When you save it, right? Save as dialog box appear. You can see here. What is Microsoft Paint? Microsoft Paint is a program which you can use to draw and color anything you like. ठीक है, ये Microsoft Paint ये program है with the help of which we can draw and color anything we like. Next we have long question and answers. How many part the paint window has? The paint window has two main parts. One is ribbon, this one, and this one ribbon, और ये drawing area, right? How you can save a drawing? When you save a drawing for the first time, you will need to give it a name. You have to then click the paint button and then save option, write the file name, and then finally click on save button. देखें, मैंने आपको जैसे बताया था कि when you save a drawing for the first time, you will need to, इधर से आप क्लिक करेंगे पेंट विंडो को, save, right? ये हमारे पास ये डायलॉग बॉक्स अपीयर हो गया. यहाँ पे हम नाम लिखेंगे कोई भी जो हम easily we will remember that. I'll write it paint, right? Paint लिख दिया हमने क्लास. Now then click the paint button, then save option हो गई, file name, and now finally file name लिख लिया, फिर हमने save को press किया तो ये look यहाँ पे paint program. ठीक है, this is the way to save a file. Now how can you close the paint window? मैंने close ही कर दिया, मैं फिर open कर देती हूँ. तो again when you are done, जब आपने पेंट प्रोग्राम में अपना सारा काम कर लिया, आपने ड्राइंग ड्रॉ कर ली, click the paint button and simply exit. Look, ठीक है. How can you open an already saved drawing? To open an already saved drawing, you follow the following steps. Click the paint button को क्लिक करेंगे, click open, the open dialog box appear. This is dialog box. अब हमने कौन सी खोलनी है? क्लास 2 खोलें, क्लास पेंट, ये पेंट. We will open this paint. No, I'll open class 2. Click this file and now press open. Look, this open. नहीं, हमने क्लास 2 खोलनी थी. ये देखिए क्लास 2 खोली, ओपन, क्लिक ऑन ओपन. लुक, ये आई थिंक यू रिमेंबर दैट क्लास. ये हमारे क्वेश्चन आंसर्स हो गए. नाउ वी विल डिस्कस वर्कशीट्स रिलेटेड टू दिस. The main part of the window are ribbon, drawing area, print area, both A and B. हमने अभी पढ़ा है के टू पार्ट्स हैं, दैट वन इज रिबन एंड ड्राइंग एरिया, सो वी विल टेक ऑन बोथ ए एंड बी. द टूल यूज टू ड्रॉ lines and curves in paint are ब्रश टूल. दोनों चीज़ें किससे ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं हम? ब्रश टूल से. लाइन टूल से तो हम लोग स्ट्रेट लाइन यूज वो ड्रॉ करते हैं, कर्व्स तो ड्रॉ कर ही नहीं सकते. नेक्स्ट, द पेंट बटन मेन्यू कमांड यूज टू क्लोज द पेंट विंडो इज, जिससे हम विंडो बंद तो हो रही है, दैट इज एग्जिट. Number fourth is the option used to choose the width of the tool is, that is size. The group that contains the line tool is, इसमें वो line tool है, that is shapes. Now, filling the blanks. The dash tool is used to draw lines and curves that have different appearances and textures are brushes. The color 2 option is used to specify the background color. क्लास मैंने आपको बताया था दो कलर्स की ऑप्शन है, एक कलर 1 है और एक कलर 2. जो कलर 2 है वो बैकग्राउंड कलर के लिए, ये कलर 2, दिस इज बैकग्राउंड, राइट. नेक्स्ट इज क्लिक द डैश बटन एंड देन सेलेक्ट द थिकनेस ऑफ द लाइन. साइज बटन, ये साइज बटन को हम क्लिक करेंगे, इसमें आ रही है थिकनेस, right. Now the line tool is used to draw a dashed line, obviously straight line. To save a new drawing, click the paint button and then click the save option. Now, true and false. Line tool is used to draw straight lines, true. Brush tool is used for freehand drawings. Freehand drawings तो brush tool से हम draw नहीं करते, that is false. Drawing area is the area where you draw, obviously true. Drawing area में हम drawing draw करते हैं. Microsoft Paint is a fun program where we write, false. हम वहाँ writing तो नहीं कर रहे, where we draw and color. The paint window has two main parts, true. Which one? Ribbon and drawing area. Class, now your chapter number 5 is completed with question answers and worksheets. Okay, see you in the next class. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.